I tell you, if I ain't MacGyver, I don't know who is. Last night I was putting some new struts on my truck. I neglected to put the screw in that holds the brake caliper. Brake calipers came off somewhere back there, the brake shoes, which left it dangling with nothing there. Well, plan A, tow it home, or plan B, make something happen. So we're gonna strap the rock into the caliper so the brakes will back working again. Use another zip tie, suspend it out the way so that the tire doesn't grab it and knock it off, which I gotta make it so the tire doesn't hit it. But stay tuned, we're gonna see how this works out. Okay, let's fire this back up. Uh-oh, another problem? See if we got brake pedal. Nope. I thought I could MacGyver it back together, but it didn't work out. So, had to call backup. Tow it to the house. 2 screws missing out of the brake caliper equals no brake shoes. They came off in the process. So, let me get my jacket. And I couldn't figure out any way around it. So, got to have AAA. Good thing it didn't happen over there, or on the bridge way over there. First time Big Blue been up on a tow truck. Woo. Heavy. Fresh at the shop, what do I see? A box. Could this be another bag? Like some bags in a box. We're gonna have to break this open and see what it is. Cause I got something else. I don't know what that is. Anyway, yeah, we're gonna find out what that is in a minute. Stay tuned. Yeah, over here in the back cave, we got them bags, black extended bags. 2014 and up, looks like. Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna review my notes, find out what's going on, give the owner a call. But at the same time, he sent me this big ass tweeter. Oh my god, y'all, look at this thing. It is humongous. That's what we call a super tweeter. So we're gonna review the notes, talk to the owner, and get it mocked up because he has his own speakers and stuff. I believe we're just setting up the holes and tagging and bagging and sending it on his way back. And he gonna finish it up on his end. But I think semi-wire it up, whatnot. We'll see, figure it out, work out the details. Murray's Car Stereo. This is what we do, among other things. Remember this from yesterday? We made it work though. Gotta go. We out. Okay, so we got these in today. This is going to be delayed posting because Facebook put me on timeout. Somebody was telling me I've violated the new policy. I guess I got to start saying and typing I've not owned the rights to the music that I'm using. I think that's what maybe got me in trouble. But yeah, we got these in the bags in the mail. So we're going to see if we can put this giant ass tweeter up in there and see what we're doing here. Yeah, these bags are aftermarket bags. It's not quite the same plastic that Harley Davidson used. Actually, it feels a little thinner. Yeah, it is a little thinner. The paint quality looks pretty good. If you ship me bags, yeah, this is how they wrapped it, but they had the bubble wrap around it. So if you're gonna do the bags, to me, they need, yeah, wrap them like this. This will work out good. Then you can put the bubble wrap around it. This is bubble wrap. But if you put it naked bubble wrap against a bag, especially a black bag, it's gonna rub that thing to death all the way from here to Montana and South Dakota and New York and wherever else, and you're gonna have some messed up bags. So these are brand new bags. So what we're gonna do is chop it here, tape it on there so we don't have to even worry about possibly even scratching this new black up, because you know black shows everything. So we're gonna set him up with some 6x9s, holes drilled out so he can put his own when he get home. Pretty much a prefab. Then pre-wire it somewhat. We'll make the wire harness for it. So yeah, that's about it. Well, today is carpet day. A bit under the weather, but I'm back. So let's get it in. Money's car stereo, all gas, no brakes at all. Okay, I got one bag down, ready to go back in the mail. Second bag on the carpet tonight. Tomorrow we'll sit on my bike, mock up all the wiring. This will be Baggar in a box with some phone assistance. So, you know, we've been running around here. But, hey, we getting things happening over here. Money's car stereo. Donald, you knew this was coming, baby. You knew it. Y'all acting real funny. We out. Okay. Got it set up. Tomorrow we're going to lay out the wire for it that way and label it all. That way he can hook it up when he get to his final destination. And yeah, tag it and bag it. Stick a fork in it because we got one more day and it's over with. Money's car stereo. Letting you see what I see. Follow me on that Facebook, that Instagram, Money's car stereo, and on YouTube under Big Money Rob. Cause we gonna make it happen. Hey, he's still looking good. I need to ride his bike sometime. Gotta go. Well, this edition of Baggar in a Box has come to an end. We've got everything laid out, everything marked so it's easy to find when he gets to his area. He's gonna install his own speakers. Comes across through here, jumps out, jumps over here. Disconnect there for the hot and ground. RCA for the amp. Hot and ground. Everything labeled here. I mocked it up on my bike, so this actually goes inside of this right here. And then it'll exit out through the front up onto the neck like you see mine doing over here. See? Where's that? Right. Up in here, like that. So I always bring my bike out when I mock one up. I kind of got this already pre-measured, but just to make sure things are where they're supposed to be at, we make sure. Tag it and bag it. Or as you say, stick a fork in it. It's done. All right.